Welcome to our guide on how to create a personal budget. Budgeting is essential for managing your finances effectively and achieving your financial goals. First, let's identify your income sources. Begin by listing all your sources of income, including your salary, freelance work, or side hustles, to get your total monthly income. Next, list out all your monthly expenses. This includes fixed expenses like rent or mortgage, and variable expenses such as groceries or entertainment. Categorizing your expenses can help you see where your money is going. Group them into categories like housing, food, transportation, and entertainment. It's time to set your financial goals. Think about what you want to achieve in the short term, like saving for a vacation, and long term, like buying a home. Now, create your budget plan by balancing your total income against your categorized expenses. Ensure you're living within your means. Consider using budgeting tools or apps to track your expenses. They can simplify the process and help keep you accountable. Regularly review and adjust your budget. Life changes, and so should your budget to stay on track with your financial goals. Here are some tips for sticking to your budget: use cash for discretionary spending, avoid impulse buys, and automate savings where possible. In conclusion, creating a personal budget is a powerful step towards financial freedom. Start now, stay disciplined, and enjoy the journey.